Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I want to teach you guys how to end your loop or break your loop early using break keyword. So now the question arises why we need to break our loop early. In some condition, we have a bunch of data and we want to access some data between that. And after that, we does not need to run the whole bunch of data. That is why we use this break keyword. Now, I make a program on that so you can get what I am talking about. So first thing we need is variables. So int a, and here I am making a for loop, and you can actually use this break statement with any loop. So next variable is int user number. Basically, what we are going to do is we are going to allow the user to enter a number which states how many times this loop will loop, and that what user number will be. And the last variable is int maximum number, which I am going to put as 20. So and this maximum number is how many times this loop will run by default. So by default it's going to loop 20 times, but if the user enters something, it will break early. Now we will give a prompt to the user, printf on what number you want to break this loop. uh, Up to 20. Now scanf %d, comma ampersand user number. The user will enter a number and this will be stored here. Now I'll build a default for loop which will be for a equals to 1 first condition, then a is less than equal to maximum number second condition, then a plus plus third condition. Then printf %d, comma a. This will print value of a. By default it's going to loop 20 times. So now we need to add something in our program to break it where the user inputs. So in order to do that, you need to add this statement right after the printf statement. Add if condition, which is a is equal to user number. If it is, then break the loop. So this is the statement to break a loop. If we run this, This will ask on what number you want to break this loop. I'll be breaking it in 8. Enter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So our loop begins from 1 and ends at 8. And the remaining numbers after 8, it did not print because we does not need that. So that's how we use break statement to break a loop. I hope you understand the tutorial. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.